Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Can't believe this. This is, and it's always outside. Too many rains. What is that? Oh my god, it's a siren. I don't know, what is this? Maybe it's just a siren? I'm not sure. That. So it's too wet on something in the wood in the balcony. So raining in there. The cloud is so dark. It became a tornado. I don't know, what is that?
Idiot, tornadoes are not real.
Okay, but stop. I'm recording a video.
Okay, boy.
Dude, oh my god. Hey, stop.
Close the door.
Okay, oh my god. Oh my god, this is insane. Strange. It's gonna plant. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wow. How did this impossible? It's just raining inside. Okay, gotta see you next time.